the soil, the keepers of this land. Oh, our heritage stolen, our home seized by foreign command. Oh, but no more shall we cower, no more shall we bow down. Oh, the time has come to rise up, to reclaim our rightful crown. From the savannah to the canyon, our voices shall resound. United in our cause, our spirit shall not be bound. We stand tall and defiant, our resolve will not waver, for this is our kingdom, our legacy will savor. Hear the lion hearts triumph, the sound of our might. Our battle cry echoes, we fight for what's right. This land is our homeland, our land to defend. No invader shall conquer, our reign shall not end. We marched in peaceful protest, our peace fell on deaf ears. They met our demands with scorn, our cries with cheers and fear. But the fire in our hearts, it burns brighter than the lies. Now the time for action has come.